topic is Ralph Waldo Emerson's essay, The Transcendentalist, YouTube channel Slide Mentor. The overview of the topic is The Transcendentalist is a lecture turned essay in which Emerson defines and explores the principles of Transcendentalism, a philosophical and literary movement that emerged in the early 19th century. Transcendentalism emphasizes intuition, individualism, and the inherent goodness of humanity and the nature. The key arguments are definition of transcendentalism. Transcendentalism is a philosophy that rejects empiricism, knowledge gained through sensory experience, and materialism in favor of intuition and the spiritual insight. It asserts that individuals can transcend the physical world to access higher truths through their inner selves. The second theme is the idealist versus the materialist. Emerson contrasts the transcendentalist idealist with the materialist. The materialist relies on empirical evidence and the external reality. The transcendentalist relies on intuition, imagination, and the inner self. Emerson argues that the transcendentalist perspective is more aligned with the true nature of reality, which is spiritual rather than material. The third theme is the role of nature. Nature is a central theme in Transcendentalism, serving as a source of inspiration and the reflection of the divine. Emerson believes that by immersing oneself in nature, individuals can connect with the universal spirit and gain deeper insights into life. The fourth one is individualism and nonconformity. Transcendentalism celebrates individualism and encourages people to trust their own instincts and ideas. Emerson criticizes societal conformity, arguing that it stifles creativity and personal growth. The fifth is the limitation of transcendentalism. Emerson acknowledged that the transcendentalism can be isolating, as it often leads individuals to withdraw from society. He suggests that a balance must be struck between idealism and the engagement with the world. The key quotes of this essay are: the transcendentalist adopts the whole connection of a spiritual doctrine. Nature is the transcendental, exists primarily, necessarily, ever works and advances, yet takes no thought for the morrow. The world is divided between the materialist and the idealist. Thank you. If you have any question regarding this, please comment. And if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.